So in problem 42 on page 314, it's a multi-step problem that asks you to find a model that represents the total number of residents. So total always implies a sum. So the first thing you want to do is m plus f. So you're going to try to find the sum of those two things. Then after you found that, so you need to add those two things. So you do the like terms like we did in class. And I apologize, there's an error in one of these. It should be a cube. After you've done that, part B asks you to estimate the total number of residents in 2001. Now, one of the main keys there is that it says years since 1998. So like we did in class today, instead of it being 2001, so T doesn't equal 2001. T equals the number of years basically between 1998 and 2001. So you need to figure that out and then substitute that number into whatever you find from part A. After you've done that, then it says to find another model. So this is part B. And then part C says to find another model that represents how many more female residents than male residents from 98 to 2004. Now, you need a model first. So you need more females than males. So if the bigger number is the females, then you have a subtraction. So you would have this. You would not have this. So it would be females minus males, not males minus females. And then you do the same thing again with D. So you need to use that model that you found on C to find the number of residents, many more females than males since 2000, or use the model to estimate how many more female residents than male residents there were in 2000. So again, T is the number of years since 1998. So you need to figure out what is the value of T in this case, because it is not 2000. And after you've done all of that, it says to graph the function. Now that is a critical thinking and it's a challenge question, but I would like you to graph it. Now you have your graphing calculator which can help you. And instead of having M and F, you're going to have to substitute whatever your expression is. So you're going to have to substitute your T. Your T is going to be your X. And whatever you find in your expression, whether it's the model in C or the model in A, that's what you're going to use for f of x, which is your y. And that's what you're going to use for E and for that critical thinking question. Let me know if you have any other questions by sending me an email. Thank you.